Building a website used to be a task for tech wizards, requiring deep knowledge of coding and design principles. Today, platforms make it easy for everyone, from small business owners to hobbyists, to create their own websites without needing to write a single line of code. But choosing the right platform can be tough, given the myriad of options available, each with its own set of features and limitations. Two popular options are Wix and Django, each catering to different needs and skill levels. They offer very different approaches to website creation, making it crucial to understand what each brings to the table. Wix is like a pre-built house, where the structure is already in place. You pick a design, add your furniture, and you're ready to go. It's user-friendly and perfect for those who want a quick, hassle-free setup. Django, on the other hand, is more like building from scratch, giving you the freedom to customize every aspect. You have complete control, but it requires more technical skill and a deeper understanding of web development. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each platform will help you make the right choice for your website. Let's dive in and explore these options in more detail so you can make an informed decision that best suits your needs and goals. Wix is a website builder that prioritizes user-friendliness, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to create a professional online presence without the need for extensive technical knowledge. It's a great option for beginners or those short on time, as it simplifies the entire process of website creation. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can create a website without writing a single line of code. Simply select the elements you want, drag them into place, and customize them to fit your vision. Wix offers a wide range of templates to choose from, catering to various industries and personal styles. Whether you need a blog, portfolio, or online store, there's a template for you. Each template is designed to be fully responsive, ensuring your site looks great on any device. You can customize these templates with your own images, text, and branding, making your website truly unique. The customization options are extensive, allowing you to tweak every detail to match your brand's identity. Need to add features? Wix has an app market with a plethora of options to enhance your site's functionality. You can integrate social media, e-commerce tools, and more. This means you can connect your site to your social media accounts, set up an online store, and even add booking systems or contact forms. Wix takes care of the technical stuff like hosting and security, so you don't have to worry about the back-end complexities. You can focus on creating great content, knowing that your website is in good hands. With Wix, building and maintaining a website is straightforward and stress-free, allowing you to concentrate on what matters most, your content and your audience. Wix is hugely popular, boasting millions of users worldwide. Over 200 million websites use Wix. These websites range from personal blogs to large business sites. Why is Wix so popular? It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a wide range of features. This makes it a great option for individuals and businesses of all sizes. Wix's popularity speaks to its effectiveness as a website building tool. It's a testament to its user-friendly approach and comprehensive features. Section 4, Django, unleashing the power of Python. Django is a high-level Python web framework that allows developers to build robust and scalable web applications quickly and efficiently. It's open source and free to use, which means you can start building your projects without any initial cost. Django is known for its flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for both small projects and large-scale applications. Unlike Wix or other drag-and-drop website builders, Django requires coding knowledge, which gives you more control and customization options. You'll need to be comfortable with Python, as it's the primary language used in Django development. This gives you complete control over your website's design and functionality, allowing you to create unique and tailored user experiences. Django is perfect for complex websites that require intricate functionalities and robust back-end systems. Think e-commerce platforms or web applications that need to handle a lot of data and user interactions seamlessly. It's also a great choice for developers who want to learn a powerful framework that can enhance their coding skills and open up new opportunities in web development. Making the choice Wix or Django, written by Joe Casabona, Creator Courses.